Isn't Takt just for manufacturing? Construction is different.
So if you talk about Takt in the typical sense of like just the Takt time anticipating customer demand, you could make a case that that's mainly for manufacturing. But Takt, the way I understand it, which is rhythm, flow. Takt is an older German word for rhythm or baton, right? So I think of sheet music. Takt meaning that whatever the flow unit is that we must flow on a rhythm according to a takt time is not just a manufacturing principle, it's a construction principle. In fact, I was talking about this the other day with Ricardo going to Yuma. I think the biggest problem in construction is that we think we're unique. We say to ourselves, we're not like manufacturing. The biggest problem in construction is that we run construction sites like construction and not like manufacturing. And people are like, wait a minute, Jason, isn't manufacturing completely different? It doesn't tie? No, in manufacturing, whether it's a production pod or a line manufacturing, the product will move. In construction, the value-adding resources, the trades move, and the product stands still. So it's the exact same thing, but in the reverse. It's the exact same thing. Takt time is the base, pull is secondary. We have to have systems like Jidoka, where literally the machinery or the equipment call human beings in to help, automation with a human touch. We have to have just in time, and we have to have flow. So it's all the same stuff. Takt is so applicable to construction that I don't think there's anything I can think of in construction that doesn't directly apply to the Takt production system. Because if you base it down, it's not, does everything go on a standard Takt time? Like, that's not what Takt is. Takt is, even if they flow differently, can every trade flow? Are we clearing roadblocks out ahead, and do we have buffers behind to make sure we maintain that flow? All Takt is in construction is the concept that everything should flow to its fullest extent. So 100%, like Takt is just as applicable to construction as it is manufacturing. It's just that we put false concepts in our minds that prevent us or hinder us from understanding the concept. So we got to get rid of those. And it's just that simple. So 100% we can flow trains of trades through phases, 100% we can zone it, 100% we can implement lean practices, 100% we can get the workforce to implement it with that level of care, 100% we can anticipate problems and clear them out of the way, 100% we can stop the line, 100% we can have buffers. I can't think of a single thing in manufacturing that we can't do in construction. So Takt is for everything. There's nothing I've ever, this is bad grammar, but not been able, or bad sentence structure. I've never not been able to fit something in the Takt system.